I Jenna that.
Yo, bro.
Yo, up. How was fine, bro?
It was lit, bro. It was litty, bro. It was litty. Lit.
So you do me, General?
Bruh, America got the baddest hoes, bruh. I swear down, bruh.
Yeah, man, twang, brother. Yeah, bad hoes.
Yeah, bruh. They got some of the baddest chicks, bruh. Bruh. There was this chick I was linking, right, bruh?
Yeah.
I had her in the crib, right?
Yeah.
I was there, now I'm saying? I was ready to go crazy. Now I'm saying go crazy. Now I'm saying, bruh? You know what I'm saying?
Yes, they go crazy.
Wait. I was raising her and shit, right? I was turning her on and shit. And then she was like, eat this coochie.
Girl, bright. I lie.
Yeah, bruh. And I was like, yes, sir. Yes, sir. For the feast tonight, bruh. Bruh, I didn't eat a thing in the morning, bruh. I swear, bruh. I was gonna feast, bruh. Feast. Now I'm saying, bro, fine and dine, bruh. Fine and dine.
Now move from youth.
Easy, bro.
Move from youth.
Bro, easy, bro.